I really love to eat. I think this 1-cup slice is the best recipe I have ever tasted. Before, I am really wondering on how to make this delicious 1-cup slice. And I asked my sister about this recipe. And I was so excited because she knew how to make this 1-cup slice. She said that this is so easy to make, and I really agreed to her. She is right. This 1-cup slice is so quick and easy to prepare. I really love the taste of this recipe because this is so yummy. If you want to try this one, you just have to get all the necessary ingredients, such as 1 cup wholemeal self-rising flour, 1 cup desiccated coconut, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of raw sugar, 1 cup chopped mixed fruit, and this is the method. You just have to mix all the ingredients together in a bowl. Evenly spread mixture in a greased and lined tray. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And that's it. This is Rhea of Synergy.